Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to format cell using align, text wrapping, and text rotation in Google Sheets. This tutorial will be a very quick, short, and really easy to follow tutorial, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date, and this is for the reason that by doing so, we can avoid any unexpected errors that we may come along the way. Now, as you can see in my Google Sheets file, I have here a text. We have successfully renamed our Google Sheets file. We have multiple worksheets right over here in the bottom panel. And if you're wondering how we did those, as well as how to edit and add data in our Google Sheets file, please be sure to check out the dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Sheets file on our YouTube channel. Now, let us begin with the text align. Now we can align our text by clicking on a cell to make it active, and as you can see right here, we have the alignment. We have horizontal, left align, we got right align, and center. But in Google Sheets, we do not have justify, just like what we have in Google Docs. We can choose to be center. We can make it align to the right, as you can see. And as simple as that, we can change the alignment of our text to however we like. Let's say, for example, we merge these cells. We can set it on the right side, left side, and center. Now, when it comes to the text wrapping, it will affect how your text interact with multiple cells. As you can see right here, I have a cell with containing only 3 words, but it is overlapping to this cell B2. Now we can change the text wrapping on how this text behaves when it comes to its existing cell. All we have to do is to go over to the upper panel of our screen and then click on this one, or this icon which says text wrapping, and we can choose however we would like it to interact with it. As you can see, if we choose the second option, it will break down the text so that it can fit to this cell, or this one, which will just slice your text, or just normally, which would make it overlap to this second cell. Now when it comes to the text rotation, we can choose here. We can rotate it diagonally, tilt down, upwards, and more. As simple as that. We can change the alignment, the text wrapping, and even the text rotation in Google Sheet. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.